Alright guys, gonna change out this transmission filter right here on this Honda Pilot. So it's this piece right there, that's where it's located. So we got a couple, looks like a 12 mil, a couple 10 mils over here. And we'll get that pulled out. Here's the new one. So you can see it's threaded on one side. There's a filter media inside there. Alright, we'll get this pulled out and change it out. There she goes, maiden voyage for the snap-on. Buttery smooth. Alright, so these 10mm bolts down here for the transmission filter bracket are in a really tight area. So what I did was I'm sorry if it's blurry, let's see if I can focus. I got a power built low profile 1/4 inch drive socket on there. It's got an 11mm hex on the end, so you get an 11mm wrench. I got a reversible wrench on there right now, so that way just take it off, and of course I drop it. But yeah, so that way if y'all, just an idea if y'all need to, but there's the socket right there, so it works out perfectly. If I get a ratchet in there, set at an odd angle, ends up hitting this bracket here without fully removing it. I kind of got this unbolted a little bit, so yeah, just two, one on each side, and then this should thread out. There's a hex right there, and you'll be able to thread it out kind of like this. So sorry, I misquoted there. I thought it was power built. It's actually a power torque. So as you see, they all have that 11mm shank on them. That way you can get a ratchet on there. Yeah, it's slowly coming out. Try not to rush it so that way it doesn't cross thread or strip out. Alright guys, sorry. So this hex shank right here is a 24mm. So if you want to check the size, you can just get your new one, 24mm. Get it in there, but make sure you loosen these two 10mm, take them out. That way the wrench can get in there. And you should, I'll take a couple turns and then thread it out. Alright, and what you can do is take it to the pry bar, and all this is just kind of it's pressed into there. Take a pry bar, start sliding it out, and then just make sure you have a drain playing under there, so that way once the ATF fluid comes out, it'll drain under there. But now you should be able to continue getting your wrench on there. And keep spinning it off until enough where you can start turning it by hand. In fact, take it all the way off, and I was able to pull it off, spin like that. That'll free it up. Just fish it out. Alright, we'll get the new one in.